Sometimes the biggest fights don't happen over money, or careers, or relationships. Sometimes they happen over vegetables. Hey everyone, welcome back to English Dialogue Box. This is a conversation between two male roommates, one who went shopping with good intentions, and one who came home tired, hungry, and emotionally unprepared for tomatoes. What starts as anger slowly turns to humor, honesty, and something very familiar, the everyday struggles of sharing a life with a friend. This is not just about food. It's about stress, exhaustion, responsibility, and learning to laugh through it. Sit back, listen closely, and if you've ever argued with a roommate over something small, this conversation is for you.
Ollie, before you say anything, I want you to listen carefully. I came home tired, mentally exhausted, emotionally empty, and physically hungry. I opened the door hoping for peace, maybe food, maybe comfort. Instead, I saw this bag, and the moment I saw this bag, something inside me broke. I'm not even joking. I stood there for a full minute asking myself one question: why? Why would a human being buy vegetables like these without consulting the other human being who lives in the same room?
Okay, first of all, breathe. Secondly, vegetables are not dangerous items. They won't explode. I went to the market, I saw fresh produce, I thought about health, budget, and basic survival, and I bought them. I didn't know this decision would turn into a full emotional investigation.
Ollie, I am holding this potato in my hand right now, and I want you to look at it seriously. This potato is small, dirty, and clearly confused about its purpose in life. When you buy potatoes, you buy strong potatoes, potatoes that can survive frying, boiling, and pressure. These potatoes look like they will dissolve the moment we touch them. What were you thinking when you chose these?
I'll tell you exactly what I was thinking. I was thinking that small potatoes cook evenly, they don't waste food, and they're cheaper. I was thinking like an adult who understands cooking, not like someone who judges vegetables based on emotional strength.
Now, let's talk about tomatoes, because this topic deserves respect. Tomatoes are the heart of our cooking. Without tomatoes, everything tastes like regret. And yet, you bought tomatoes that are soft, tired, and clearly living their last days. These tomatoes are not ready for cooking. They're ready for retirement. I don't want to open the pan and feel sad at the same time.
You're acting like tomatoes should come with certificates. Soft tomatoes make better curry. They blend well, they release flavor, and they don't fight back. Hard tomatoes look good, yes, but they ruin the taste. I didn't buy them for decoration, I bought them to eat.
And onions. Don't even get me started on onions. 2 kilos? 2 kilos, Ollie? Onions make people cry. We already cry about rent, jobs, and life. Why add more reasons? Every meal you cook turns into an onion festival. I don't want to smell like onions while sleeping. Onions are the base of cooking. You cannot cook properly without onions. They add sweetness, depth, and structure. This is not obsession, this is knowledge. Just because onions make you emotional doesn't mean they're the enemy. Now, let's talk about money, because this part hurts the most. $600. That's not a small amount for us. That money could buy snacks, tea, comfort food, or at least temporary happiness. Instead, you spent it on vegetables that require effort, time, and emotional energy. Do you understand how painful that is?
Yes, I understand money pressure. I feel it too. But spending money on vegetables is not wasting money. It's investing in health. You don't see it now, but when we don't get sick, when we save on medical bills, when we survive another month, that's when it matters.
My biggest fear is cooking. Not cooking itself, but cooking with you. Last time you cooked, the smoke alarm nearly called the fire department. You don't follow recipes, you freestyle. Cooking is not music, you don't improvise.
Everyone makes mistakes. I'm learning. You can't judge someone forever based on one bad cooking experience. At least I try. You supervise and criticize but never actually cook.
Maybe this is not about vegetables. Maybe I'm just tired. Tired of responsibilities, tired of thinking, tired of always adjusting. Sometimes even small things feel heavy. These vegetables just became the target today.
I get that. I feel it too. But fighting over vegetables won't fix life. We're both trying in our own way. Sometimes logic helps, sometimes emotions need space.
Okay, I won't lie. After shouting this much, I'm hungry again. Maybe these vegetables are not that bad. Maybe I overreacted. I still don't like the tomatoes, but I accept them. Not happily, but responsibly.
That's progress. I never expected happiness. Acceptance is enough.
Next time, we go together. We argue there, not at home.
Deal.
And if food tastes bad?
You'll blame me.
Obviously.